Hi everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how to modeling watermelon and how to render cartoon shader with Cinema 4D. Let's begin. So let's make one cube, yes, and go to here, convert to editable, and go to here, yes, select this icon, render selection, yes, and select this vertex like this, and scale, yes, then select all this vertex and move to right, go to display and select this, yes, and let's weave right, yes, select edge and right mouse loop path cut, yes, and let's make lines. Okay, nice, and select this icon, move tool, and select vertex, and let's click here, select this point, then let's click here and right mouse loop and make two edge, yes, let's see the perspective, and let's click here and move to up. Now let's make cartoon shader materials. Go to here and create new material, yes, open this material and make luminance, yes, and change color. First color I will change white, yes, and let's make duplicate this material, hold Ctrl and move to right, yes, open this material and change color to green, yes, okay, and again select this material, hold Ctrl and move to right, yes, open material and change color to red, yes, and let's close. Okay, now let's assign these materials in this object. Select this and let's select all these polygons, then select this color and move to here, yes, select these polygons, yes, like this, hold shift for select all polygons, okay, then select this green material and move to here, next select this edge, yes, hold shift and select all this one, okay, and select this material and move to here. Cool, I like it, and let's exit here, click here, let's make smooth model, go to here and subdivision surface, yes, and select this cube, move to inside, select this cube and click here, yes, and go to here, click this icon, right mouse and loop. Okay, let's make loops in this and this one, yes, let's see and click here, then make sphere, yes, change segments and radius. Okay, and let's click here, select this vertex, Ctrl A and scale. Nice. And let's make material for this. Select this red material, hold Ctrl and move to right. Open this material and change color to black. Yes, and use this material for this model. Then go to here, select this cloner and select this sphere and move to inside. Click cloner, select mode to object, then move to surface to object. Yes, okay, nice. Select again cloner and change size. Okay, and count. Then select cloner, go to here and let's rotate these models. Then select sphere and cloner, right mouse and connection object and delete. Yes, good. And let's select this icon and let's delete some objects. This and this. Okay, nice. And let's make render. Go to here and open effect, sketch and tune. Yes, let's make render. Okay, nice. And select material and let's render again. Then go to display and select this, open subdivision and click here, select these shapes. Okay, and this. And this. Then let's select this material, copy and open, change color, some colors. Yes, and let's use. Okay, let's render. Okay, nice. Let's close render settings and our watermelon is done. So thank you for watching my tutorial and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, add comment. Thank you so much.